Cardiomyopathy refers to a group of diseases that affect the heart muscle, leading to structural and functional abnormalities. There are several types of cardiomyopathy, each with its own distinct characteristics. The main types include number one is dilated cardiomyopathy or DCM. Dilated cardiomyopathy is characterized by enlargement or dilation of the heart chambers, particularly the left ventricle and weakened heart muscle. This results in decreased contractility and impaired pumping function, leading to heart failure. Dilated cardiomyopathy can be idiopathic, that is, it can be of an unknown cause or secondary to other factors such as coronary artery disease, hypertension, viral infections, or genetic mutations. Number two is hypertrophic cardiomyopathy or HCM. Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is characterized by abnormal thickening or hypertrophy of the heart muscle, particularly the left ventricle, without an obvious cause such as hypertension or aortic stenosis. This thickening can obstruct blood flow out of the heart and lead to symptoms such as chest pain, shortness of breath, and arrhythmias. Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is often familial and can be caused by mutations in genes encoding proteins of the sarcomere. So, sarcomere are the contractile units of muscle cells. Number three is restrictive cardiomyopathy or RCM. Restrictive cardiomyopathy is characterized by stiffening of the heart muscle, which restricts the heart's ability to fill properly during diastole. Diastole is the relaxation phase of the cardiac cycle. This stiffness is usually due to infiltration of abnormal substances, example amyloidosis, sarcoidosis, scarring, or fibrosis of the heart muscle. Restrictive cardiomyopathy can lead to heart failure and arrhythmias. Number four is arrhythmogenic right ventricular cardiomyopathy or ARVC. Arrhythmogenic right ventricular cardiomyopathy is characterized by progressive replacement of the right ventricular myocardium with fibrofatty tissue, leading to arrhythmias and structural abnormalities of the heart. It is a genetic disorder with autosomal dominant inheritance and is associated with an increased risk of sudden cardiac death, particularly in young individuals. Number fifth is non-compaction cardiomyopathy. Non-compaction cardiomyopathy is characterized by prominent spongy appearance and deep intertrabecular recesses in the myocardium, particularly the left ventricle. This abnormal myocardial structure can impair systolic function and lead to heart failure, arrhythmias, and thromboembolic events. Non-compaction cardiomyopathy can be genetic or acquired and may occur in isolation or in association with other cardiac conditions. So these are the main types of cardiomyopathy, each with its own clinical features, pathophysiology, and management strategies. Treatment for cardiomyopathy depends on the specific type and underlying cause. Early diagnosis and appropriate management are crucial in optimizing outcomes and reducing the risk of complications in individuals with cardiomyopathy. So dear viewers, that was all about cardiomyopathy. I hope you like this video. Keep sharing, subscribe, and like to our channel Pharmacy D by Asim. And for more informative stuff, follow us on our different social media platforms, which the links are given below in the description. Thank you so much.